welcome back to another video, and if you're new, welcome. So today I am going to unbox, I had to do it. It's a $20 scoop, and I literally just ordered this like, I don't know, 4 days ago. It's so fast. So, and I'm super excited to open it. I shouldn't say order it. I've already ordered it. It's here. I did these scoops a few months back, maybe 6 months ago, and they were fun, and I had a lot of fun with them. So anyways, the new ones that I'm assuming they're new ones, anyways, this is new to me. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna unbox this one, and we're gonna see what kind of goodies are in it. This was a $20 scoop. So without further ado, I'm gonna get this bag and box open. All right, so let's see here. I did enjoy getting these before. I just got a little carried away, and yeah, I had to start behaving. But I've only done it once now since then. So, and this one had, if I remember right, there was a discount. I want to say a 31% discount. So if that is the case, I will leave that in the link. Okay, with the paperwork. So I love how they send you the receipt and everything. Makes it great for filing at the end of the year, which I don't enjoy doing, but anyways. Let's see here. Is this taped? No. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, I love these pink boxes. Oh, there's lots of goodies in here. Okay. I don't even care if it's stuff I already have. I just love getting the new stuff. Okay, so these are all loose rhinestones and caviar beads. And oh my gosh, look at the color in this. I do not have that color in caviar. Oh, okay. Pretty. Alrighty, I'm gonna take this out of the bag as well, or not. Okay. I love these things. These are fun. And there's so much that you can do with the rhinestones and the caviar beads. Oh my gosh. I'm just going to have a moment here. Oh, look at that. Okay, hold on. I'm trying to open this one, and I'm looking at that one too. Very pretty. So fun. Look at that. Okay, this is like perfect fall colors. Oh, okay. I am having a moment here. Oh my gosh. Okay. I swear to you, I'm just, yeah, not having, okay. Those are so pretty, and I love the flat bags. Okay, and we have, this is, I'm going to say glue. I have purchased their glue before, and it works really, really well. So I'm going to go with glue on this. Surprise! It's all good. It's good glue, so we are good. Happy Gel. Okay, crystal clear. Okay, this is like the poly gel. It's called Happy Gel. And I have a few of his, and I do like them. They're very nice. I don't know what my deal is today. I can't seem to get the plastic wrappers off of nothing. Okay, this is going to have a seal on it, I think. Yeah, that's okay though. So I'm excited. I see polishes in there as well. I'm just going to grab some tweezers. These, it doesn't matter what company, what bottle, anything like that. The seals are always just a pain for me. Okay. So like I said, this is a $20 scoop. And I guess you can't really see it in the black tube. Anyways, his clear is clear. Okay, happy gel. Always happy to have that. And then, okay, I'm gonna grab some swatches. What is this? Oh, Pink Magic Fast Dry Monomer. Okay, very nice. I haven't tried this one yet. And now with the cooler months coming, this is probably going to be a very good thing to have. Something that sets up, with it being fast, I have to use it in the cooler months. In the summertime, it'll set up before it hits the nail, I think. It's just because of the way I do things, not the monomer itself. What's this? Oh! Hold on. Is this what I think it is? Oh, it is. It is. It is. The little flashy lamp. Okay, so I got to put batteries in this. Oh my gosh. How adorable is that? Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm happy. Happy, happy. Bubblegum gel. Oh, clear. Okay. I love this stuff. I do the 1, 2, 3 Go nails. And I have the larger container. I have a few of these because, yeah, I do like it. Okay. This is going to have a seal on it, I think. Yeah. Anyways, it is super clear. And I do like it. And I don't know if this will show up. No, it will. So that's what it looks like. I'm not going to open that one because this one's already open. And then, okay. Oh, look at these. Top coats. Oh, very nice. Okay, shiny. So I'm assuming with them being shiny, these are probably a no wipe top coat, I think. We'll put them on some swatches and we'll give it a look-see. Oh my goodness. Okay, hold on. Okay. I am almost out of swatches. Okay, so I want to see what these look like. So this is Venus top coat. These are a little chilly. They've been in the mailbox. I just, like, literally got this. So I'm gonna, oh my gosh. Oh. Okay, that is so pretty. Yeah, these are cold. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm hoping that it can be seen. It's like a rose gold kind of. Okay. Very nice. I'm excited to use these. This is Pluto. And like I said, I think they're no wipe. So we will see when they come out of the lamp. And this one is going to be, what's going to be in this one? Oh, black. Oh, and a little bit of, okay, really fine glitter. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm loving these. Okay. It normally goes on a whole lot better, I promise. They're just cold. It's like 37 degrees outside right now. Okay. I was gonna set that there. I've got a bit of a mess going on. Okay, I'm gonna try and put these in order. Okay, and then we've got Cosmos. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I love this. This looks like something you could use. Well, I mean, you can use it year round, but definitely like during Christmas. I'm hoping it's picking up the glitter. Very pretty. So yeah, these are top coats. Okay, and then we have Uranus. So, Okay, we'll see what's, I'm assuming there's glitter in this. And there is. Very nice. Oops. Wow, I'm really happy. 20 bucks. Okay, please tell me that's showing up. All right, so I'm gonna stick those in the lamp, but I'm gonna cure those for 60 seconds. And I'm gonna try and find some more swatches. I'm out. All right, I've got one stiletto left. I've got an order coming in hopefully this week, but we'll see. This is a liner, I believe. One coat gel. I could be wrong. Okay, and I'm looking, oh, 002. It's right there. Okay. Uh-oh. Okay. I can't get that undone. So when that happens, I just grab a rubber band. Grab a rubber band. I swear I can speak English. There we go. Okay. I don't think I have a red liner. Oh, that is really pretty. Oh, great. Now I've got like Christmas vibes. I'm getting excited for that. Okay, so I am going to, so there's two liners. I'm going to put them both, I think this is a liner, 005. Okay. And those are done. Let's see if we can get this open without the rubber band. Nope. Wow, those are all good. Okay. That red, I'm loving that red. That's just rich. Okay. Oh, and this is pretty. Okay, again, these are cold. They just came in from outside. I should have waited a couple hours, but I was too excited. Oh, okay. So I'm going to go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds. And I do want to say, yeah, these are, they don't have a tacky, there's no tacky layer. So I think you're good. Or at least that's what I'm going to say, because they don't, yeah, there's nothing there. So I believe that's like the shiny with all that glorious glitter. Can't get enough of. Okay. And then we have some tips. Oh, I have not, oh, I don't have these. Oh my gosh, lovely. Okay. Oh, okay. So I don't know. I love that. The length and everything. I think my daughter's going to love these. I do press-ons for her. And they work perfect. And I use Enailcouture's tips. And she wears them and uses them for everything. I mean, she doesn't have any issues. So I'm excited for that. I'll have to show her these. She always goes for the black matte. But we can put a matte top coat on those. Oh, okay, those are gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Oh. Oh. Maybe I can talk her into these ones. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you can see this. Stiletto. These are gorgeous French stiletto. Oh my gosh. Okay. And that pink. Oh. Well. Okay. Sorry, it does not take much for me to get excited, but these are just gorgeous. Yeah, she may go for those. We may go longer. Okay, what do we have here? What is this? Is that a magnet? Hold on. I'm trying to find the side that, okay, you know what? I'm not going to fight with this because for one, it'll win. I am really curious what that is. I have not seen this. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a magnet. Okay. So this, I bet this is fun for cat eyes. Oh my. Okay. I'm going to see something real quick. Okay. So I just want to see how this works. This came in the scoop. This is one of Max's cat eye polishes. This one did not come in the scoop. So I just want to make that super duper clear. This did not come in the scoop. So I'm curious. I want to see how this works. So I am going to use one of my black swatches. This is such a pretty cat eye. So I just want to see how that works, that tool. Okay, hopefully that is getting picked up. Oh, look at that. Okay. This is pretty powerful. I mean, as small as it is, that is crazy. Okay, I like that. So I'm going to put this in the lamp for 60 seconds. Okay. Our little striper gel. Okay, that is pretty neat. I'm excited to use that. Alrighty. So yeah, and check out his cat eyes. He's got some really good polishes. All right, and then last but not least, stickers, which you can never have enough of. These are pretty, and I like the silhouettes. Very pretty. Okay. Oh, well, okay. So I am like really happy. A $20. Oh, and like I said, I had a 30, I think it was a 31% off. So anyways, that was like almost a free shipping thing with that discount, which I'm not sure if it's still going on or not. So I probably shouldn't even say anything, but I'll have to look to see if it is. And if it is, then I will put a link into the description for you. But I am like just thrilled, beyond thrilled right now. This is well over $20 and it was totally worth it. Oh, look at that. Okay. Like I said, okay, his cat eye, this did not come in the box, but this is 015 and this is one of his cat eyes and they work wonderful. So hopefully I'm hoping he still has those in stock. But anyways, alrighty. So, okay, I'm done. I'll stop talking. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I will be back again shortly with another one. Cheers.